Big smoke coming strong through the building blinds. Wake up to pollution, for now that's cholera, diarrhea. I watch you go toilet and stick your dirty hands in your mouth. Diarrhea, then your water. Diarrhea, then you feel real sick, throw up. She's heading to the factory. She's working at the factory tonight. Working at the factory. Working at the factory tonight. Working at the factory. Working at the factory tonight. Working at the factory.
She's working at the factory at only the age of 11. She is currently infected with Kayra, a disease that dominated the Industrial Revolution. Right now, she is experiencing symptoms such as diarrhea, nausea, and dehydration. 50% of Kayra cases are fatal.
This was only one of the many diseases that spread across Britain in the 19th century. Smallpox, typhoid, and tuberculosis were all major illnesses that killed millions.
After urbanisation in England, the streets became overpopulated and everything was dirty, not sanitised, and definitely not safe to use. The water was repulsive and contaminated with pollution, sewage, and even dead bodies.
Diseases like cholera were waterborne and spread through the water supply. The government did not do anything to solve the problem until 1848, when they passed the Public Health Act.
But let's go back to the 17th century, before the Industrial Revolution.
Hygiene did not exist in the 17th century. Instead, they were extremely superstitious and used home remedies instead of medicine, which wasn't available at the time. They used leeches, mice, ferrets, and spiderwebs to fight illnesses.
Fast forward to now, the 21st century in England. Cholera, smallpox, and typhoid have all almost been eradicated from England completely, with tuberculosis remaining as a treatable issue. Hygiene has improved greatly because of COVID-19, some improvements being as small as washing hands after using a device, and as big as using both antibacterial soap and gel after sneezing, coughing, and opening doors. What a big difference compared to the 19th century. From masks to hand sanitizers, people from the Industrial Revolution would pass out after even spending 15 minutes in a medical centre. But not only has our hygiene improved by the way we treat illnesses has too. Medicine is now as easy to come by as buying food and toiletries, and there are pills that can help with overall health, mental health, and even infections and other specific things. What a crazy world we live in now.
Working at the factory tonight. Working at the factory.